Have you guys ever wondered how to tell if a jewelry is truly high quality? Whether it's gold, silver, or gemstones? These 5 insider tips will help you spot the real deal in seconds. First, check for the hallmarks. These tiny stamps tell you the metal's purity and authenticity. For gold, look for numbers like 750 for 18 carat or 925 for sterling silver. Next, pay attention to the weight. Real gold and silver feel heavier than cheap imitations made of brass and alloy. A simple hole test can reveal a lot. High quality gemstones sparkle differently. Look for natural inclusions, tiny imperfections that prove it's real, not a synthetic copy. Did you know? Real gold and silver are not magnetic. Use a magnet to check if your jewelry is authentic. If it sticks, it's probably fake. Lastly, always ask for certification. Documents like GIA reports for diamonds or BIS hallmark for gold guarantee you are investing in genuine pieces. Now that you know these secrets, buying jewelry just got easier. For more expert tips and stunning designs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Let's keep the sparkle alive.